Yeah, our hope is that they become just what you're talking about, a commons, a place of mutual giving, a place you can volunteer and kind of make your mark in terms of caring for the land, planting a tree that'll last beyond you.
Hmm.
Um, and we're focused on working in publicly accessible spaces. Um, so in some parks next to community centers, on a church property, so nonprofit properties, public housing site. Um, and yeah, we want them publicly uh, like accessible for people to come in and pick what they want, and then harvesting what there's too much of to distribute to those who need it. So will it solve all hunger issues? Maybe not, but it'll improve nutrition and
Hmm.
it'll improve the mental health of those involved as we have a place where we belong to. We can see each other and engage in a society that's gotten more and more digital and afraid,
Hmm.
um,
Hmm.
and practice being together. You know, you might
Hmm.
run into people who have different thoughts than you, but you're caring for the same land, for the same community, and to rethink of our communities as the places that we live and not just the institutions that we're part of.
Hmm.
Um,
Hmm.
seems really important for this like social fabric of our country.